Hey there, this is K4A Knowledge for All, and in this video we are going to check out new game tutorial from GameMaker, and it's role-playing game, or in short RPG. So for all of you who don't know what GameMaker is game engine, 2D game engine, which is free to use for non-commercial use, and it has some kind of free assets and templates and tutorials, and you can check out their site at gamemaker.io to see if it fits for you. You can check out which modern and most popular games are made with it and so on. And GameMaker, as other game engines, it tries to update itself to share the knowledge how to make games easier and better and so on. And one of their moves recent was that they published a couple of videos and tutorial about RPG or role play game, and I will leave the link in description. It's a part of their blog publishing, and you can check out videos right there on that page. Click on the play button and play it on the page and check out what is next in terms of what features and mechanics they're going to cover. So three of those are made, 1, 2 and 2 again. Movement and enemies, sword combat and turn-based battle. And tutorials coming soon are Part 3 leveling up and stats, and Part 4 dialogue boxes, Part 5 finishing the game. So it says that this is user friendly in terms of beginner friendly. You don't need to code or have coding experience, but again, check it out to see if it fits you. And lots of people want to make role-playing games and ask for those tutorials, and this is brand new, so it should be covering new stuff and new game engine features. So if you're using older game engines, maybe you will get some kind of problems. So latest, I guess, GameMaker engine is recommended for this, and you can check those videos and others on their YouTube channel and click on those one by one if you don't want to use this page here, and check out maybe comments on those YouTube videos, what people are creating, what kind of problems they have and so on. So that's one thing to check out. And also problem which you can have with this is, for example, that all of these things which you will learn here should be universal, and you can customize them and you can use them wherever and whenever you want. It's easier to follow step by step. So these guys made and I'm waiting for internet to start. These guys made this also as templates, so you can just import it or open it in your GameMaker, simple as that, and have all the, I guess, sprites and graphics in it, so you only have to code, which is great. But the problem here is that, as you can see, when you click on new project type or template, you can select template, and one of these is this latest one, RPG tutorial. But if you're using GameMaker long-term stable version, which I am, you will not be able to do that. I don't see that template in my template collection like they have it here. So I just wanted to warn you about that. But if you're using one of those free professional and enterprise and the not LTS long-term stable release, then you should be good. And the last thing which I wanted to warn you is about code and coding. So although they said on their page that it's user friendly, beginner friendly, you don't need to have coding experience, they are actually using a GML language. So this is not a drag and drop language which we have covered on my YouTube channel as, I guess, easier stuff for most of the beginners, and they, I think, recommend it also for beginners, but somehow they use GML. I also prefer GML, and I recommend it for you to start with it if you have time and patience and strength. But again, for some of you this could be confusing or scaring and so on, so I just wanted to warn you about that. So as you can see, this example here on this video, you would have to type all of this in your GameMaker console, or however it's called, and that's it, yeah, for this video. See you in a next one. Check out this RPG new game tutorial, and see you soon in new videos. Bye for now.